mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday. Ilang umis ko na siya. Sana mag-gala ka na. Pakain mamaya. Punta ko dyan. Birthday, Ma'am Joyce.
Joyce! Happy birthday, Ma'am Joyce. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi Joyce, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Yun, enjoy your day. Thank you sa matagalan nating friendship kahit hindi na tayo magkasama ngayon sa work. Yun, huwag ka na masyadong ma-stress sa work. Yun lang.
Hi Babs! Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo and I hope matupad na yung wish mo this coming year. More birthdays to come. Stay pretty and avoid stress. Love you!
Happy birthday, Tito Joyce. Happy birthday, Tito Joyce. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati.
Ano sabi mo?
Happy birthday, Tita Joyce!
Hide.
Happy birthday, Tita Joyce!
Isa pa.
Happy birthday, Tita Joyce! Happy birthday, Ninong! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ninong! I love you! Happy birthday, Tita Joyce! I love you so much, my heart!
Hi, Beb! Happy birthday to you. Salamat kasi lagi ka nandyan para sa amin, especially kay Pani. Good health!
Happy 18th birthday, Joyce. More birthday to come and good health and ingat palagi. Ingatan mo lagi si Berto. And see you tomorrow.
See you!
Hi, Joyce. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Salamat. Joyce, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng magandang buhay, magandang birthday. Thank you sa mga binibigay mo. Salamat.
Joyce, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you. God bless always.
Happy birthday, Joyce! Wish you all the best in life. Be happy with your health. And I love you all. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ten! Thank you. See you again na isa kita. Always be healthy and dito lang ako always. Pag mayroon ako, alam mo yan. Bigyan na kita, alam mo yan. Happy birthday, love you. Go.
Happy birthday, Joyce Ann. Happy birthday.
Hello. Hello, Joyce Ann. Joyce Ann, happy birthday. Happy blessed birthday. And advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong dalawa. Lalo-lalo sa'yo, may birthday bukas. Turning, ilan ka na?
28.
28 tomorrow. Be sure, sana magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusugan parate. Kung ano man ang nararamdaman sa'yo, gumaling ka na. At higit sa lahat, lagi kayong masaya ng iyong asawan si Berhel. Muli, binabati kita ng happy birthday and advance Merry Christmas sa'yo, anak ko.
Hi, happy birthday, babe. More birthday to come. Sana magusto mo yung regalo ko sa'yo. Wish ko sa'yo sana good health and stay happy and beautiful. Sana huwag mo na akong awayin.
I love you.